Okay, this is totally gonna freak you out. What you're watching right now is my AI avatar, and it's blinking, breathing, moving its hands, and speaking with emotion. It honestly feels like she's alive. HEYGEN just launched their most realistic avatar model yet. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, how simple it is to create your own, and why this might just be the biggest shift in content creation since the invention of ChatGPT. Now let's take a step back for a second. This is the avatar I had created just a few months ago using HEYGEN. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Obviously this video is AI generated, but honestly, I don't think that's a bad thing. Imagine being able to provide value and create content at scale. It looked decent, it talked, it worked for simple content, but if I'm being honest, it felt stiff. Something was off. There was no real facial expressions, no emotions, and the hands were completely frozen. Now look at the one you're seeing today. The difference is honestly insane. This version reacts with nuance. It gestures when I emphasize a point. It blinks naturally. It looks at the camera with presence. It actually feels like she's thinking. And the best part is that I created this in under 10 minutes. This isn't just about looking cool. It's about how we work, create, and communicate in the digital world. So if you're a coach or a course creator, this lets you record once and scale your message infinitely. If you're an educator, you can teach 24/7 without being live on camera. And if you're building a personal brand, this is your always-on spokesperson ready to introduce your offers, tell your story, or guide people through your platform. We talk a lot about saving time with AI, but this gives you presence. In a world where attention is hard to earn, presence is power. So here's how easy it is to create one. I went over to heygen.com, clicked create avatar, and chose their new gesture-enabled video avatar option. From there, I recorded a short 2-minute video of myself reading a prompt that I made on ChatGPT. I made sure I had good lighting, moved my hands naturally, and used clear, expressive tone. Once I uploaded the video, HEYGEN took care of the rest. About 10 minutes later, I had a fully animated version of me, complete with voice, emotion, gestures, and subtle facial reactions. If you've ever tried creating content consistently, you know how exhausting it can be. But now I can generate high-quality videos from a single idea without ever turning on the camera. So here's how I'm using it right now. My avatar introduces my courses, it narrates my YouTube videos, it appears on my landing pages and sales funnel. I even use her to turn blog posts into faceless shorts that run on autopilot. This isn't just about automation, it's about expansion. I'm able to be in more places with more polish without trading more time or energy. And the content still sounds like me, looks like me, moves like me. It is me, just multiplied, and still provides significant value, which makes people want to watch till the end. The bigger picture here isn't just that AI is getting better, it's that the creator economy is changing entirely. For the first time, you don't have to choose between showing up and burning out. You can clone your presence, keep your energy sacred, and still scale your message far beyond what was possible even 6 months ago. If you want to create your own hyper-realistic avatar, I'm going to link a step-by-step guide on academy.geteducated.ai. And if you want me to build one for you, that's an option too. Because the future of personal branding and content creation isn't about showing up more often, it's about showing up smarter, with systems, with intention, and with the kind of impact that scales. Don't just build a brand, clone it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.